Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And if you want to change your scan folder permissions from system to all users, if you work in any organizations company, so guys select this folder which you want to share to anyone. So just right click to show more. Okay, this is both same Windows 10 and 11 same. Okay guys, click to property, security, then guys click to share and click to just share and then done. Okay, then guys again click to advanced share, click to permissions, access the allowed all, then apply and then okay, then again apply same conditions to apply. Okay, then go to security tab, click to edit, then add, type everyone EVE and click to check, automatically come to everyone, then click to OK. Select everyone folder, then allow all. Okay, modify, control, read write specific permissions you get. Okay, and then one more guys, administrator, one by one check the permissions to all, system also, then unknown accounts, then same click to apply and then okay, and then just close it. Okay, so if you want to check, so guys click to cmd. Okay, and then open, then type ip config and then all. So this is your IP address. Okay, just Windows R and type double backslash 10.0.0.0.5 10.0.2.15 and then hit enter. So you can see your scan folder is network. Okay, in the network tab it is showing here. Okay, like this is address. Okay, yeah, just you can create any folder, show you just folder like abc, then close it, so it is automatically show in the C drive. Okay, this is C drive scan is automatically show. Okay, so guys, thank you.